Welcome to the HeatSign instructional video for the HS-820LB fiber laser metal printer. In this video, we'll show you how to set up and operate this versatile machine. First, insert the pull-out battery into the machine. To power on the HS-820LB, long press the on button for 1 second. The machine will start up, ready for use. Next, import your logo using a USB stick. The machine's interface showing the creation of text, a logo, a QR code, and a serial number. Now, let's create a text. Let's start to find out the logo file we imported. Now let's create the QR code. Next, demonstrate how to create a serial number. Adjust the power, speed, and other parameters to suit your specific marking needs. Fine-tuning these settings ensures optimal results on different materials. Watch as the HS-820LB marks an aluminum oxide surface. The high-precision laser ensures clean and accurate markings every time. Here are the results of the marking process. Notice the clarity and durability of the markings on the aluminum oxide.